Alright, YouTube, back again. As you can see, we got our bigger package today. We got the what should be my upper. I just slipped it out of the big box already, but I haven't opened it yet. And I got another sticker, so you can see, and another little card there for the free guide or whatever they're advertising. But let's open it up together. I should see. And what does that say? I didn't even tell you. Seal is broken, package damage, check contents before signing. Yeah, well, I already signed, but here we go. And voila. Man, this thing is lightweight. Alright, so what I ordered was a PSA, what is it, the 18-inch full gas link system. This is the 223 Wylde chambered stainless steel barrel. And I got this on sale. I've been wanting one, but I was just waiting. And what do they normally run? $329 plus shipping or something like that. Well, they were running a special $279 free shipping. So I mean, even from what I've seen on other people's YouTube who bought this is the cheapest I've ever seen it. So I had to jump on it, do me a little budget build. We got ourselves, I'm gonna just get this box out of the way. And we got a little branding there. This was not a blem or anything. And it's got the key mod. I went with the key mod instead of the M-lock. I must say, this thing is pretty lightweight. Hello.
Nothing good today.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too.
Thanks.
And sorry about that. I'm not even going to cut that out. That was just the mail lady. So, where was I? Yeah, we got the key. I went with the key mod. I already have some key mod rails and stuff. So, I'm going to try and stick everything with key mod. Get this box out of the way. It keeps messing me up. Alright. We got our forward assist. I mean, this thing looks nice. It's got our standard, what is it, A2 flash hider. Probably end up changing that out. I already got my charging handle bolt carrier, so I already got my optics. All we are waiting on is our lower. So hopefully this week I might have that. If they're they already said they shipped out to my FFL. So yeah, we should be getting a full view video of the complete rifle here soon. Hopefully this week or next. So I think that's about it. If you have any questions, if I missed anything, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comments below. I will get to them. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll get you some more videos. Thanks.